Si Go Huaping or si Alice Go hindi lumaki sa farm. Hindi rin siya homeschooled. Nag-aral ho siya. And I'll show you the proof. No, dahil nga lumabas sa hearing yung totoong pangalan niya, nag-aral siya sa parehas kong school, sa Grace Christian High School for grades 1, 2, and 3. Year 2000 to 2003. No? So, hindi siya homeschool ni Rubilin. Nag-aral ho talaga ho siya. No? And nung natatandaan ko, sa school ho namin walang farm ho doon. Puro building ho. Ito yung kanyang school records. Next is will be the, in-attach ho kasi pag nag-enroll ka, meron kang mga, i-attach mo yung alien certificate of registration mo at lumalabas yung alien certificate of registration niya match doon sa alien certificate of registration na hawak ng Bureau of Immigration. And in that enrollment document, interestingly, meron ding birth certificate galing sa China, no, in Chinese at tinranslate and tinranslate siya sa English. So nakasulat dito na father niya si Guo Jiangjong, alam na ho natin, at ang mother niya ay si Wen Yilin. So I just want to put this on record and show to the committee because as we go along, ang dami hong nagpo-provide ng information eh. Kasi nga lumalabas yung totoong identification niya at gusto ho namin din magamit. Sayang naman itong mga pieces of evidence. Gusto ho namin magamit para lalong tumibay yung kaso na ifina-file po ng ating Solicitor General.
We will be happy to receive these documents, Honorable Senator, and we will consider the same together with the team, together with the Honorable Solicitor General on the deliberation on the filing of a co-warrant.